Welcome to your Montessori quote for today, Wednesday, 8th January 2025. Our quote for today is from Maria Montessori's 1946 London Lectures, page 147. It says, imitation is the tool given by nature to children to help them adapt to the particular place where they were born, and that enables them to adapt to the customs of their specific environment. Again, imitation is the tool given by nature to children to help them adapt to the particular place where they were born, and that enables them to adapt to the customs of their specific environment. The above quote tells us how blessed children are by nature with the ability to imitate. To imitate means to follow. To imitate means to have a resemblance with. For children, imitation is the most natural way to learn, and by doing this, they are able to adapt to their environment. It is so amazing to know that as an absorbent vessel, children imitate our behavior, our language, and our native customs. The above quote also reminds us of how blessed we are, because a soul is absorbing and imitating our good legacies and values. Parents and guardians who understand this will be so intentional around the child as to ensure they are living right and doing right, because one day the child will reflect our life and values like a mirror. Our activity for today is from the cultural learning area of the Montessori. Continents and their color codes. Continents and their color codes. Africa, green. Asia, yellow. Australia, brown. Europe, red. North America, orange. South America, pink. Antarctica, white. Again, continents and their color codes. Africa, green. Asia, yellow. Australia, brown. Europe, red. North America, orange. South America, pink. Antarctica, white. Thanks for watching this video. Do well to like, comment, share this video. See you again tomorrow for another learning journey with Mr. John. Bye-bye. Off it now.